I think we can still make this work, it just won't be quite as convenient. Good morning. How'd you sleep?
Once I finally fell asleep, I slept great. I was convinced somebody was trying to break in for a while. It was about midnight and I heard this thump, and then I saw a light. Obviously, burglar trying to kill me.
She's sleeping with a rock beside her pillow.
But Nate was so brave and got out with our tripod in his underwear.
So last night at midnight, something banged up against the car multiple times. And I think the LED light on the front of the Tesla is motion censored.